So can you see it now? So usually P having three subshells. So it's supposed to be for whatever the orbital number, whether it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P always having three subshell, D having 5 subshell, F having 7 subshell. That is what our first class we used to discuss about, right? So like this, on the excitation, your S will attain 6 electron. And you can see one more thing, ma'am. You can ask me one thing, ma'am. How can we know that these electrons are going to excite? Because you are saying now regards the oxygen, but if in examination, if they were asking about any other atom, how we can know? We have one hint. You can do this. So this is the innermost electron, right? This is the innermost orbital electron. Just leave it. Count all the electrons that present. For example, if it seems to be for carbon, okay, so carbon having the valency of 6, so 1s2, okay, then 2s2, then 3s, sorry 1s2, 2s2, 2p, sorry, I just made it wrong, 2p2, right? So you just remove this inner electron. So it's 2 plates 2, the valency it seems to be 4. Okay, can you get it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Can you able to understand? Yes, fine. So now this is the point here. So we got to know that the number of unpaired electrons. So no problem with unpaired electron. Ulas, you just please concentrate. I'm explaining in a simple way. Okay, just concentrate on the class. Just remove the inner electron. It's nothing is there. We are not saying any logic answers. We are saying just remove the inner one. If you are removing the inner one, then you can able to get it. That's it. If supposed to be carbon, oxygen or hydrogen, whatever, remove the first inner electron. First inner electron means you are starting with 1s. Remove that. 1s2, remove that 1s2. Then what are the electron is present? Just counted everything. That is so easy, right? What is there in that? Okay, so that will become your valency. So now okay, so we got to know that how can we write the 6 in our valency. So this is not only for oxygen 1, this is for all the oxygens, like 1 2 3. This is for all the oxygen we are saying. Okay, so now we got to know that how we came with 6, but now we need to know how many lone pair of electron in each of this oxygen. So now we require the oxidation state of this. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, oxidation state of this electron ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. So for that we need to write. How we need to write? First, this oxygen is going to share its electron 1 2 3. 3 electron donate ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? It means to say if one bond, one electron is donating. So same like that. So 3 of its electron are donated. So in that 8 atomic number of oxygen, you are lost with 3. So now only we have 5. So you need to fill it with 5 oxidation numbers. So 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p1. So can you see, almost we are lost with 1 2 3 electron in I'm talking about first oxygen. Okay, I'm talking about first oxygen. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 3 ಬಾಂಡ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you need to focus from the point of 1 2 3. If we have more atomic number like 34 and 45, how to know the excitation? That is what Mohammed, that is what I'm saying. No need to worry about the excitation, because I know which kind of atom will excite or which kind of atom will not excite. But you don't know, right? That is what I'm saying. Just leave the inner orbital. You are not asking any question. For that only I asked myself and I cleared the doubt. You just remove the inner orbitals. Just remove. And you know one thing, that's 34, 45. That much of electron number, like atomic number, you don't have any such questions in that, so no need to worry. Okay, just they'll give you like simple from 1 to 12, not more than that. Like it make reaches potassium for like 21, not more than that. Don't worry about this. Okay, so then we are concentrated on the first oxygen. So first oxygen already it going to bond with the 3. So 3 bond formation ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 electron share ಆಗಿದೆ. So 3 electron share ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the atomic number of oxygen it seems to be 8, but already we are losing with 3, so the remaining electron are in your oxygen it seems to be 5. So further the oxidation number will, so electronic configuration number will become like this: 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. Okay, so here you can see p having only one electron. Okay, p having only one electron, so that you can see this is unpaired electron, so we can't do anything with this. So next you can see this one, it's having one unpaired, and this one, so it is 2. So totally how many unpaired electrons you have? That is 2 in number. So the lone pair of electron, okay, the lone pair of electron, it means to be 2. That's why we got it 2. I'm talking in the point of oxygen 1. Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2p ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್, ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್, ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 2s2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ವಿ ಗಾಟ್, ಒಂದ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. Next, other next ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1s2. So there also we can find one lone pair of electron. So 2s2 and 2p2. So from these two we got one lone pair of electron in each. So we got totally 2 number of lone pair. This also clear. So next formula, you know, minus 1/2 bond sharing electron. Bond sharing electron ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you mean by bond sharing electron? You need to see not only from the one element, both element, how many number of electrons they were giving, so that you need to calculate. So here this oxygen is donating 1 and this oxygen is donating 1. Again for this bond 1 and this bond 1, you can see the dot, I'm putting a dot here. So this is again 1 and this is 1. So just count it down: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many electrons are involving in the bond formation? It seems to be 6. So that's why we are applying the formula like this. It's 6 plus 2 minus 1/2. Sorry, 6 minus 2 minus 1/2 into 6. So you just 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So 4 minus 1/2. So 1/2 into 6, it will become 3. Is that right? I'm directly putting it like a 2. 2 ones and 2 threes, so you will get 3. So from these two you will get 4. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So that is plus 1. So the oxidation state of the first oxygen, it seems to be plus 1. Okay, got it? So just I'll explain for this second oxygen now. Arthak, yeah, can you able to get it? So now I'll explain for this second oxygen. So I'm writing the bond formation. So we are clear with the 6. So 6 we no need to worry, because for oxygen I'm saying it's almost the same. So if we are concentrate on the lone pair of electron, here it's going to share 2 of its electron. Only 2 bond is there, because here it's going to share with 2 oxygen. So that's why 3 bond. It's only producing only 2. Where you can see one, no ma'am. Which one, Rakshita? Like lone pair you are saying 1s2 1, 2p 2s2 1. So totally it will become 2, right? So now 2 electrons, this is double bond alva illi. So double bond irodrinda 2 electronಗಳು share ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So if it seems to be double bond, you can see the presence of 2 electron. So 2 electron share ಆಗಿದೆ. So oxidation number 8 minus 2 already shared 2, so it will become 6. So the you can see the electronic configuration will become 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Okay, so if you are writing for the p, So first we can't pair it, right? First pair madakagala alva. So we need to 1 1. So here it's a lone pair, here also lone pair. So the number of p ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. So you can see the number of paired electron, lone pair of electron, it seems to be how much? Tell me. ಈಗ oxygen, first oxygen ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So same like that you need to write. So the number of lone pair of electron, it seems to be 2 plus 2, how many? See, I'll tell you. For first oxygen, we are lost with 3. So only single electron is present. 1 electron ittu. Okay, na? But you are seeing here, only 2 electrons are sharing here. Don't get confused. Confuse agbedi. Iduku confuse agbedi. Ili 3 bond ide. You can see the presence of 3 bond here. But you can see only the presence of 2 bond in second oxygen. So that's why it's 2 electron plus 2 electron. It will become 4 lone pair of electron. Okay. So then bond sharing, yes, of course.